In this video, you will get the step-by-step explanation to construct an angle of 127.5 degree and even 123.75 degree. So we'll start the most basic step, that is drawing a line segment. You can even draw a ray, but I'm drawing a line segment here. So here is my line segment and we'll name both the ends. So first make a dot here and here, which specify that this is a line segment. So A and now we'll take the compass and put the point of the compass on point A and draw a semicircle. People even regard it as arc. It's quite big, but no problem. Make sure that the size of the compass and the angle of the compass adjustment remains constant throughout the construction. So now I'll put the compass point here. This is a 0 degree angle and let's name it for it will be easy for us, so let's name it C. So the measure of C is 0 degree. We'll put it on C and cut an arc here. This is 60 degree. We'll cut another arc. Let's first make a point here. Put this compass point at D and cut another arc. This is 120 and another arc which will give you 180 degrees. So let's name all of them E and F. Naming is not a major part. You can name it anything you want. So let's come to the main things. First we'll join the points. So first we don't need to join A and D, so we'll join A and E. We generally draw false line or a dotted line. We don't draw a complete non-broken line. We draw a broken line. A straight line is not recommended. You can draw, but it's not recommended. Now we'll bisect these two, that is angle EAF and we'll bisect this and this. So let's keep the compass point here and draw an arc. Make a dot here. Let's name it G. In fact, it was not necessary to join these two even, but I did it, so no problem either. We'll join G to A with a broken or a false line. Make sure that the line intersects the semicircle. So this angle FAG is 150 degrees. No, not FAG, but angle BAG is 150 degrees. Sorry for the mistake. And Now we'll have to draw, this is 150 degree, and now we'll have to draw 135 degree. So keep the compass point here and draw an arc. Now keep the compass point here on 120 degree and cut the first arc. Let's make a dot here, name it H. Join A to H. Now we have got angle BAH as 135, and we are on to the final step now. Put the compass point here and cut another arc, and then on 120 degree and intersect that previous arc. Make a dot at the intersection. Let's name it I. And here we can draw, or we should draw in fact, a straight line. So we have got angle BAI as 127.5 degree. Now the last is 123.75. So that is basically in bisecting 127.5 and 120. So keep the compass point here, cut an arc, then on 120 degree try to intersect the previous arc. It gets quite messy when you have to construct such smaller angles. Let's name it J, and we have completed the construction. I'll repeat it once again. First, I drawn a line segment, then I created a semicircle, then from 0 degree angle, the 0 degree point, I cut an arc, then another, and then another, 60, 120 and 180. Bisecting 180 and 120, I got 150. And then bisecting 150 and 120, I got 135, and then bisecting 135 and 120, I got 127.5, and then by bisecting 127.5 and 120, I got 123.75. So let's conclude it. Angle B A and I, BAI is equal to 127.5 degree, while angle BAJ is equal to 123.75 degree. So here the construction completes. Hope you like the video. Thank you.